mind just wanders off. The guys, I know we have that struggle once in a while at home. We deal with that. And so these are going to help you with your relationship. Even though it's not relationship talk, we're going to use these skills. We're going to train them at home with our spouse. Now, and I see the women going, you're going to do what? No, it's serious. This works. So you're going to practice all the skills with your spouse and get really good at it. And then one day your spouse is going to go, wow, you've been so attentive lately. I really appreciate you. Why? Your response is not, I'm doing security training. That will not help you. I want you to listen to their whole story. I want you to listen to their story. I know we all like to talk because it's a First Amendment right. But we also have a right called the Fifth Amendment, brought to us by Miranda versus Arizona, and it says this: you have the right to remain silent. Yes, we have the right to remain silent. We can listen to their whole story. I can teach what you do when these bad things happen, but it's kind of cool to prevent these things. So conflict is the best way to present it. As we took this to its logical conclusion backwards, we realized that if you want to present conflict, you therefore have to have a better culture. How do you create a better culture? Well, you have to have good engagement. How do you do that? Well, you have to, and we went all the way back where we ended up today, which is the rule. So the story is about starting from ground zero. Take responsibility. Seek to understand. Continue to learn and stay engaged. That is the rule of harmony. As cheesy as it sounds, when those things happen, our society gets a little better, our crime goes down a little bit, and our businesses come up a little bit. At the end, it's all a good thing. That's what I do. I talk to people about a lot of different things. The one is harmony. Thanks for listening.